Being a profitable Forex trader doesn't mean you're going to win all the trades. In short, I make a lot of money from the Forex market. I make millions in the Forex market, but my winning rate most of the time is 50%. Sometimes even 40% win rate, but I still make a lot of money at the end of the day. Why? Because I have been able to understand the power of risk to reward when it comes to trading and the power of trading psychology. And on this video, remember I've spoken about tools you can use to calculate your risk so that you can only risk a particular percentage on a trade. And never go for any trade that will give you a risk to reward of at least 1:2. And which two are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about a position size calculator, or a lot size calculator, or a volume calculator, or a margin calculator, anything you want to call it. Guys, this is the highest tool. Any day, it's not like I'm even exaggerating. Any day I open my computer, if I want to trade that day, the next thing you see pop up on my other screen is this calculator I'm going to show you guys. I've done some couple of videos where I was able to recommend some other tools, but now the good news is all these tools have come into Lionheart Funding Program totally for free. You don't need to buy any software anywhere, guys. Just go to Lionheart Funding Program and I will show you how you can use these tools totally for free. Good. So to go to Lionheart Funding Program, which is the fastest growing program now, what you do is just go to your Google. This is Google. I'm just going to go to a new screen. Just type in anything. Lion, even a lion. The next thing you're going to see is Lionheart. All right. It's everywhere on Google. So just go to Google and you type on Lionheart. All right. Lionheart prop firm. Let's just say prop firm. Is that you can see there are reviews everywhere. Prop firm. I don't even know I was typing it correct, but it's going to show. Can you see that? Lionheart Pro Firm is everywhere. Everywhere, scroll right down. Lionheart Pro Firm, Lionheart Payout, everywhere. Reviews about Lionheart. You're going to see it everywhere, bro. See, Lionheart reviews. Can you see? We're under reviews on Lionheart Funding Program. We have almost about 302 reviews in less than 2 months. And we are standing on 4.6 Trustpilot rating. Excellent. Excellent. Even before we go out, excellent. You can just go down. Let's just go down to see some few reviews. Can you see? All 5-star reviews. You can scroll to the end. All 5-star reviews. All 5-star reviews. It doesn't even end. Anyway, that's not what we're going to be talking about, guys. Let's go straight to the calculator. And for you to go to the calculator, just go to the home page, click on Lionheart Funding Program. And on the website, I want you to quickly go to, this is the Lionheart Funding Program website. This website has been rated as the best prop firm website, as the best prop firm 3D website. All right, just go to the website and just enjoy the website. Everything here is 3D. Can you see? Everything here is 3D. You can track your hand. You can, even these particles on the back, and they can be able to see when you are clicking something. So everything on this website, can you see, is 3D. Can you see this? Everything is 3D. But what I want to show you, even if you scroll down, you see everything is working. So this is the Lionheart Funding Program website. And what you do is go to where it says tools. All right. Click on tools and voila. Voila. What we need is these trading calculators. We even call trading calculators because there are about 3 or 4 different calculators combined. If you don't want to use the trading calculator, still on Lionheart Funding Program totally for free. Anyone can use it. You mustn't be trading with Lionheart Funding Program. Even if you are trading with another prop firm, you can still use this too. So here you can click on trading calculator. You can click on economic calendar if you want to see the economic events that are going to be affecting your trades that day. You can go to Forex sentiment. What if you want to even have the bird eye view of the total traders in Lionheart Funding Program? What they are doing? Are they clicking? Are they buying? Is the majority of them buying or is the majority of them selling? Here you can go to Forex sentimental analysis and you'll be able to spy inside to see what's happening. But what we're going to be using today is what again? We're going to be using the trading calculator. And under the trading calculator, just go there, click on trading calculator, and you wait for it to load up. There, remember, we want to be able to calculate the lot size we can use on any trade to only risk a particular percentage of our account, right? So right here on magic calculation, just make sure you choose your leverage. Let's just assume we are using 1:100 because most prop firm will give you 1:100 leverage, or most brokers. So our leverage is 1:100. But what we want to calculate is position size in pips. So go there and you click on position size in pips. That's what we want to actually calculate, all right? Now, let's just take a hypothetical example that we're going to be using to calculate. Let's say we actually have a chart somewhere here, right? Let's just say we have a chart that is going up, and we plan to get into the market somewhere here. We plan to buy somewhere here. I'm planning to buy somewhere here. We want to put our stop loss. We've already seen that reasonably we can put our stop loss here, and we want to go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So the first thing you need to determine is where you can reasonably place your stop loss. So let's just assume this stop loss distance is what? Is 25 pips. All right, this is 25 pips. And then we already know if I put in there, our take profit will be up here somewhere at 50 pips, right? So we've already known this. But now, what lot size can you use so that you can only risk 1% of your account? That's when you need a Forex calculator. You can't do it using your head or using your phone. No, you need a Forex calculator. So now that's when we then dive into our Forex calculator, and we can easily calculate that. So let's just go here and you click on position size in pips because we want to actually calculate it in pips. So you click on position size in pips, and under position size, let's just assume the currency pair we're talking about is Euro USD. Or even if it's gold, you just click here, just click in that box. Can you see this? You can select 100, any currency pair you're looking, just type it on your keyboard. The currency pair is going to pop up and you select any one. Can you see how many there are? You can select any currency pair. Good. So once you've selected your currency pair, let's just assume we're trading Euro USD. The next thing you need to do is check the account currency. Most account currencies are in USD. But if yours is in euros, select the euro. And then account balance. Remember, this is just 1,000, but most people will be trading with, let's just say, a $10,000. Let's remove this. And let's just say you're trading with a $100,000 pro firm account. 100,000. That's it. Yeah. So that's a $100,000 pro firm account. And risk percentage. How much percent or how much do you want to risk on that particular trade? Remember, I advise don't risk more than 1% per trade. So that in that case, even if you have a risk to reward of 1:2 and you have a win rate of just 40%, you will still be making money. So you go here, you remove this, you remove that, and you put 1. We want to only risk 1% per trade. And then stop loss in pips. What was our stop loss in pips again? Remember, from our analysis, we see that we could reasonably place our stop loss on 25 pips. So we have everything we need. Can you see that? We have everything we need. We have our stop loss in pips. We have the account balance. We have the percentage we're going to be risking. Then you just click on calculate. Can you see that? So when I click on calculate, I need to be able to take this up, and then I click on calculate, and voila. Can you see that? So if I'm trading with a $100,000 account and the stop loss, I can reasonably place my stop loss on 25 pips. The lot size I can use so that I can only risk 1% if the trade doesn't go my way is 4 lots. That's the lot size I can use, meaning amount at the risk. Can you see amount at risk is what? Is $1,000. And what is $1,000? $1,000 is 1%. Is 1% of $100,000. Meaning, let's do the math. Let's do the math, right? Let's do the math. Let's just say we place that trade and the market doesn't go, the trade doesn't go our way. Meaning, if we're using 4 lot size, mean times 10, it means for every trade, we're going to gain $40. Can you see? Meaning for every trade that goes up or down, we'll make or lose $40. If the market doesn't go our way, remember we are risking 25. So minus 25 pips times 40 is equal to what? That is minus $1,000. Can you see? Minus $1,000. So it brings us back to what? To $1,000, which is the amount at the risk. Now, if you are going for a risk to reward of 1:2, it means if we are risking 25 pips, we're going to be going for what? For a take profit of 50 pips. Meaning for a take profit of 50 pips, we just need to multiply what? $40 times 50, which is equal to what? Plus, let's change the color so that since we're talking about profit, right? Let's just change the color here to good. So here, our profit now will be equal to what? Plus 4. Plus this time this will be equal to $2,000. You see. So what was our risk again? We were risking $1,000, and then we had what? We had a total of $2,000. That's a risk to reward of 1:2. Risk to reward of 1:2. That's why we're risking 1%. We're risking 1% to go for 2%. Can you see that? Can you see how accurate or how effective this particular calculator is? You are able to know. So based on any, let's just take another example. Let's take another example on another currency pair. Most of you guys, I know most of you guys trade gold, right? So let me be able to also consider that. I know most of you guys trade gold. So come with me. Let's just say you trade gold. You come here and you just need to search on SAU on your calculator or your phone. It's going to be very easy because you just type XA. When you just start typing X, you're just going to see gold. So let's just go to XAU USD. XAU USD should be right down here. All the currency pairs you can think of, they're here. Everything. SAU USD is right, should be okay. Good. This is it. This is it right here. SAU USD. This is gold. Boom. That is gold. SAU USD. Our account balance is still $100,000. Or we can even put this one on $50,000. Most of you guys have $50,000 pro forma accounts. Or $5,000. $5,000 pro forma accounts, right? $5,000. That's $50,000. Oops. So that's $5,000. And now want to only risk 1% per trade. That's why you'll be able to see the lot size will be very insignificant. But that's how you have to trade. You start on a small account, and if your calculation tells you that you can only use 0.01 lot size, use it. Use it. When you then master that strategy and you're using on a 100K account, voila, it's just the same thing. You'll be able to make money. So 5K account, and we want to only risk 1%. Remember, if you want to risk 2% per trade, here you just put 2. If you want to risk 5%, you just put 5 there. But according to our advice, only risk a maximum of 1% per trade. So we have 1% there. And let's just say, since we're trading on gold, maybe it was a swing trade and your stop loss is on 50 pips, and you'll be going for 100 pips. Remember, with gold, the stop loss, the pip value is very high. So we put our 50 there. Stop loss value, we put our 50 pips, all right? And remember, guys, on MT5, 50 pips is going to be the same as 500 points. When you measure on MT4 or MT5, you have the value in terms of points. And a pip is 1/10 of a point, meaning you need to divide that by 10 to have the value in pips. And you put the value in pips here, not in points. So we have 50 pips, and then we click on calculate. Let's calculate. Can you see? It means for your 5K account and with a risk of 50, with a stop loss of 50 pips and risking only 1% on that particular trade, the maximum lot size you can use is 0.1. So you can use a lot size of 0.1. All right. Remember, with a lot size of 0.1, if the market goes up by 1 pip, you make $1. All right, you make $1, sorry. And if the market goes down by 1 pip, you lose $1. Now, if the market goes down by 50 pips, it will just be minus $1 times 50, which is what? Minus $50, which brings us back to what? Back to amount at risk, which is $50. Can you see that? Can you see how accurate this is? I remember I've even suggested another tool for you guys, but that tool wasn't as simple and as explicit as this. Now remember, even here again, let's just cancel this. Don't save. And then remember, even here, this is not only about the position size calculator. If we just go here again, go on calculators, there are a lot of things you can calculate. You can calculate even the margin. Let's just go there. Let me just quickly show you. You can calculate the margin. You can even calculate the profit. You can calculate position size. The most used, the most common and the most used one is going to be position size in pips. Position size calculator. You can even calculate the pip value. What is the pip value of gold? The pip value of palladium? The pip value of this one? Anything that moves, you can calculate the pip value. Then position size in price. Remember, we have position size in pips, where you actually, if you are talking position size in pips, it means down here, stop loss will have to be in pips. All right, it means the stop loss here will have to be in pips. And if you are talking about position size in price, it means down here, you only have to put the entry price and the stop loss price. It's the same thing. So meaning, let's just take, for example, we have the chart that was going up like this, right? We have the chart that was going up and you enter a buy somewhere here. Meaning at that point in time, let's just say this was 1, blah, 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 1, 2, that one value, that value that you entered, that you press on buy, you come here and put that value. And let's just say reasonably down here, we wanted to put our stop loss on 1.3, blah, 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 blah. You come and put that 1.3, blah, blah, blah here, right? And then you click on calculate and you're going to get the same value. But the easiest one is just when you are calculating in terms of pips, where you just come there and you put a p value and you still get the same answer. But whether you're using the p value or the price, where you actually come and put the price, you get the same value. But now, if you're putting the price to calculate now your target, remember you're going for risk to reward or 1:2, to calculate your target sometimes becomes difficult. But if you're working in terms of pips, if I know that I'm risking 30 pips, I know that my take profit is going to be 60 pips. If I'm risking 10 pips, my take profit is going to be 20 pips. Or if I'm going for a risk to reward of 1:3, it's going to be 30 pips. As easy as that. So guys, go back and practice this on your demo. Use this tool on every trade. Whether you're a day trader, you're a scalper, you're a swing trader or a scalper, you need this tool. This is a must tool you must have. You must use every day to be able to make money from the Forex market. And this is totally for free. Just go on Google, just type on Lionheart Funding Program or Lionheart Funding Program calculator. Just Lionheart Funding Program is enough. Just go and type Lionheart Funding Program. Go on the website and just click on tools. When you click on tools, choose position size calculator and you're going to see, just check on calculator, and on calculator you can follow the tips to use any calculator. I don't want the video to be too long. If not, we have covered other tools we have here, because remember, if you go somewhere here, we still have economic calendar. Economic calendar is just what it says. So economic calendar, you're going to be able to see all the economic events that are today. Can you see this? Let's just go down and wait for it to load. Can you see this? These are all the economic events. It even shows you in terms of the high impact. So these 3 bars you are seeing here shows you the impact of the news. Can you see? It shows you high impact news. And I like red when I'm demonstrating. So it just shows you the high impact news. So this. So that you can find under economic calculator, you see. So that if you are making your trading decisions, you can be able to see upcoming. Can you see? It even shows you upcoming. You can be able to see the economic events that are coming, their times and everything. And the time is automatically calculated according to your time zone. Another tool you can also see here is to be able to spy to see what traders in Lionheart Funding Program together with traders across other pro firms are doing. Let's just take for example, you can see here, if we go here, that's just that lion guy. So that lion can see it's actually spying. He wants to see what's happening and you can just read here. Let's go down and you'll be able to, this will actually amaze you. Let's just go here and go to Forex Sentimental Analysis. You guys are going to see this. So let's go down and can you see this? Just wait guys. Can you see this? So I just want to spy to see what's happening with Euro USD. I can see on Euro USD, 50% of traders in Lionheart Funding Program are buying and 50% of traders are selling. I can be able to even see short percentage. How many people are shorting? Long volume, like the volume. What's the volume of people who are trading? So many people who are trading are using a total of almost about 12,000 lots. You remember we've already crossed 10,000 traders in Lionheart Funding Program. We're already more than $10,000. So seeing 10 lot or 10,000, 12,000 lots is not something we are seeing for the first time. Then short volume, total positions. Can you see? Meaning on Euro USD alone, we have 104,000 positions. Remember, one person can be able to open. There are some people that scalp. One person can even have 20 trades. 40 trades, so that counts as a position. Then total volume, change in long, blah blah blah. Can you see all of that? Then Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD. It means, look at the green stands for the long position. It means 74% of people are buying. Let's just see here. This is interesting, guys. I'm going to actually check on Great Britain Pound USD to see what's causing this. See, 74% of people are buying Great Britain Pound USD. Only about 26% of people are actually selling as we speak. Then the opposite is happening. Good. The opposite is happening now for USD JPY. It means from what I can already, just from what, let me show you guys how you can deduce. You can use this to trade. Just from what I'm seeing here, I can already know the United States dollar is weakening. All right. The United States dollar is weakening. And if the United States dollar is weakening, any other currency pair that is combined with the United States dollar, that currency pair is going to go up. And here, if you can see here, just like what I said, if the United States dollar is long here, that's why I see many people, for the currency pairs that have USD as the first currency on the currency pair, they are instead selling. Check on USD CAD. USD CAD, can you see? Can you see? Just from one currency pair, I don't need to go to the other currency pair. USD CAD, can you see? Look for any other currency pair that has USD CAD. Should be, majority of people are going to instead be shorting. Buying, many people are not going to be buying because USD, remember I've already seen just from those first two pairs that USD is very, very weak. Check any other one that has USD as the quote currency, people will be buying that one. So let's just go down. Let's just go down here and then we just, any USD you see, guys, can you see? Can you see? AUD, USD, can you see what's happening? Majority of the people are instead buying because like I said, USD is weak. If you go down, any other currency pair that has USD as the base currency, people are going to be selling that currency pair. Majority of people are going to be selling that currency pair. Can you see? And then the opposite where USD is a secondary, majority of the people are going to be instead be buying. Can you see? So that's how you interpret this. You can see this is just more like 50-50 on gold because there are other factors that also affect gold. These are all the tools totally for free. So this should be your playground. Use this to be able to, as a catalyst when it comes to your trading, and you're going to find a lot of use for this. This is totally free for you guys because we want you guys, or I want you guys to make money in Forex trading. It was my goal, it was my vision, it was my dream to make 10,000 people profitable in Forex trading in 2024. So I want your story to be part of this story. And being part of this story, you need to be able to use these particular tools. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check the link below to be able to get your account with this prop firm, which has been able to bring these tools to you guys so that you can be able, you can get funded from $5,000 right up to $600,000. And if you watch this video to the end, I want to give a discount for you guys. So just use the coupon code LFP Position Size Calculator. All right, that's Lionheart Funding Program Position Size Calculator, and you're going to get 15% off any challenge you buy. This is going to be limited to 500 traders only, and after that, if you try maybe after a couple of weeks and it doesn't work, it means we've already gotten the number of traders we wanted for that particular coupon, or the coupon has already expired. So use the coupon, and I'll see you guys on these other videos. Peace.